Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we will be removing the air filter. On this particular lawnmower, our air filter is located right here. Typically, if you follow that fuel hose down, that'll go into our carburetor, and our air filter should be connected to our carburetor. So that's kind of how you can find that air filter. On this particular air filter, we have this little arrow, and it says twist to remove. So we're going to go ahead and twist our air filter in the direction of that arrow. Once we twist that, we can go ahead and pull it straight off just by wiggling it a little bit. From here, we now need to remove the air filter from the housing, so you can hold on to it and pull straight up, and the air filter should come right out.